Here is a 1986 Buick Grand National. This two-owner Grand National lived all its life in Ohio. The car is outstanding in all areas and is loaded with the most options available for the year. The silver ASTRO sunroof is one of its very rare options. It's all stock, no modifications, a great quality car. Other factory options include all power features, and this WE2 Grand National Coupe has an electronic dash. It has limited slip differential, automatic transmission with overdrive, and a 3.8-liter turbo V6. Come on in and see this 1986 Buick Grand National Coupe today.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at napoliclassics.com.